How to create AliExpress account. So if you want to create an AliExpress account, then first of all open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and now on the search bar search for aliexpress.com, and then it will directly take you to the web page. Now to create an account, on the upper right corner you will have an account option. Click on account and then click on register. So before proceeding, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. And here on the first option you have to choose your location. You can click on the drop down bar and then you can choose your location or country, and after that on the next you have to enter your email address, and after entering your email address you have to enter your password. And after entering your email address and then your password, you have to click on create account. And now you have to verify, so slide this one. And now AliExpress will send you a code to your email which you have just entered. So open up your email account and enter that code here. And after entering the code, click on verify email. And that's it, you created your AliExpress account. It was that easy, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.